Hello everyone, welcome to my Java programming course. Today, we will talk about the ways to output data to the console using System.out. The first method is print, which outputs data in a single line without moving to a new line. As we can see, when we write two words using this command, they are output in a single line in the console. When we use the println command, these words will be output on two different lines. There's also a command called printf, which outputs information to the console according to a specified format. To print an integer using this format, you need to use the %d symbol, which stands for an integer. To print a string variable, use the %s symbol, and after that, you should specify the variables from which the values will be taken according to the format, separated by commas. As we can see, everything was printed to the console exactly as we specified in the format. We can also print a floating point number using this output command. To do this, we create a variable with the floating point number and then use the % symbol in the output command, followed by the number of decimal places we want after the dot, and then the letter F. This allows us to print the floating point number in the desired format. To print a Boolean value, you use the %b format specifier, which outputs a value of the Boolean type. Additionally, to move the text to the next line, you can use %n, which functions just like /n. This allows you to neatly format your output and include Boolean values as well as line breaks. We can also use the format command, which works the same way as printf. Now let's see how to use commands for inputting and reading data from the console. To do this, we need to create an object of the scanner class, which will allow us to receive input data from the console. To use this class, you need to import its library as shown in the code. Now, create a text variable where you specify the name of your scanner, followed by a dot, and then use the next line command. This command will read a text value from the console. We will also create a command to check if everything was correctly stored in the text variable that was read from the console. As we can see, the console prompts us to enter text. After we input the text, it displays the recently entered information, which confirms that everything is working correctly. In the same way, we can read an integer from the console, but instead of using nextLine, we should use nextInt. Now we have successfully entered and retrieved an integer. Similarly, we can obtain data of other types in analogous ways. For example, to get a floating point number, you would use next double. Now try using the methods for outputting to the console that we covered today, and also try retrieving values from the console. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next lessons.